Lenovo Ideapad 3's screen cracked or completely black. Don't panic, this is a fast, professional screen replacement. First, the laptop is powered off and disconnected for safety. The bezel is carefully removed to avoid any damage. Next, the damaged screen is unplugged and taken out. Now we install a brand new high-quality display, same size, same resolution. The screen cable is secured properly to prevent flickering or no display issues. Before sealing everything up, we power on the laptop to test the screen. Perfect brightness. No lines. No dead pixels. Bezel goes back on, final clean, and the Lenovo Ideapad 3 is good as new. Cracked? Black display? Bring it to a professional. Genuine repairs. Fast, reliable, trusted.